We all seek physical and emotional comfort. We want to feel good. Our sense of well-being stems in part from chemicals in the brain called neurotransmitters. When these neurotransmitters are present in optimal amounts, life is really good. We experience a sense of well-being when everything's in balance. When we have the disease of addiction, the reward system is not working properly. We either can't manufacture or we can't utilize the feel-good chemicals in the proper amounts. And this leads to what's called the reward deficiency syndrome. It can result in restlessness, anxiety, a sense of emptiness, lack of satisfaction, cravings, basically a general and constant sense of needing something outside of us to make us feel better inside. A person with a deficiency in the dopamine system often will experience lethargy, a lack of motivation, a dull and listless way of living, until one day they discover a substance like cocaine. The substance cocaine mimics the body's naturally occurring dopamine, and upon first use, it's magic. The brain has finally experienced the missing element and does not want to ever again live without the cocaine. Once we begin to use, the deficiency and imbalance in our natural brain chemistry is exacerbated, and it drives us often into an endless cycle of increasing pain and discomfort.